Now I'm at the Red Crescent Hospital in Rawalpindi, the twin city of Pakistan's capital, Islamabad. Here, local people are receiving the COVID-19 vaccine in an orderly manner. Pakistan started its COVID-19 vaccination drive in February after the arrival of China-gifted Sinopharm vaccine doses, with the frontline health workers given the priority for inoculation. Now it's the turn of the over 60s. According to the country's National Command and Operations Center, Pakistan approved the emergency use of Sinopharm COVID-19 vaccine for people over 60 years of age on early March. In my hand is the Sinopharm vaccine. After receiving the vaccine, people are kept in the observation room for half an hour. How do elder people feel when they get vaccinated? What do Pakistani doctors who have vaccinated many elderly people over the past few days say about the Chinese vaccine? Let's go and visit them.
I'm feeling quite fine. Nothing being happened to me right now. Up to it has been past 20 minutes now, and I'm not feeling any adverse effect from this vaccine. This is a safe vaccine, and I am advising my patients who are more than 60 years. I am advising them to get vaccinated as soon as possible. I am going to vaccinate my elder brother who is 73, and my sister who is 74 tomorrow or 1 or 2, 3 days. This is the totally safe vaccine. I appreciate the government, China government.
और मुझे अभी ये वैक्सीन लगाई गई है, इसका मैं समझता हूँ कि इसका बहुत फ़ायदा है। ये इस तरह के कोई ख़तरा भी होगा उससे हिफाजत करेगी हमारी। हम चाइना के बहुत मशहूर हैं, उन्होंने हमारी आवाम की भलाई के लिए ये डोनेट किया है, और हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने भी इसको बड़े अच्छे तरीके से और तमाम अमले ने बड़े अच्छे तरीके से तावन करके ये हमारे तक पहुँचाया।
खैर खैरियत से आए हैं, खैर खैरियत से जा रहे हैं। नहीं, कोई असर नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, पता भी नहीं चला। मैं घबरा रही थी, लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता चला। शुक्र है, बिल्कुल ठीक। चाइना वालों का बहुत शुक्रिया, इन्होंने हमारे साथ इतना तावन किया है।
So far we have vaccinated more than 800 people, and we have seen not even a single major side effect. The maximum side effects that we have seen so far were mild fever, which approximately 2 or 3 people had, and mild body pains, which about 10 people had. That's it. Nothing more than that. In this center, we have a total of 9 centers right now which are operational in the Rawalpindi district, and every one of them has the same vaccine, the one we have. I think that's a great gesture from the Chinese government and the population. I think they have always been a friend. We always say that long live Pakistan-China friendship. So I think they have always supported us in our bad times, and this is one of those times in which the friendship was tested again. And the second batch would be, I think, very important because of the mass vaccination. You need as many as possible. So I think the second batch will be helping us maintaining a supply chain and getting the maximum benefit to the people of Pakistan.